Be a millionaire. Stop. Yes. Be a millionaire in 12 months with downloadable software. If you are wondering how to end up being a millionaire in 12 months using the internet, I wish to tell you a little story. About a year ago, approximately, I wished to research how the web can be utilized to assist individuals make money online. It was then I started to recognize there were many choices available to actually make money online, but what was the ideal opportunity for me? Yeah, I am sure you have heard just like I have of all those online testimonials offered by individuals who declare they succeeded on the internet selling this product or that item. Nevertheless, if you are like me, you most likely had your doubts. I chose to take matters into my own hands. After numerous months of research study on the very best downloadable software application tools that truly can make you six figures a year, I created an extremely unique blog called A Digital Product Review. There you will find the most thorough list of online software applications that has actually made a common individuals like you and me end up being really wealthy. The web has actually opened an entire new world for methods for you and I to generate cash. I have pals too many to count who have made the most of this new way of creating cash flow online, and rather easy as well. How to generate money online has never been simpler. In order to make the most of opportunities like this, you must initially educate yourself on how to organize a business plan that is easy to understand, does not take much effort to follow through on, and of course, that does not need a big financial investment. There are numerous traditional internet ways that you and I already heard about, like opening an online shop, selling some type of widget, or using some type of popular shopping portal that you have become aware of that will get your items seen and hopefully land that sale. If you sit back and believe about it, things like this will still cost you cash, and most likely lots of it. There will be posting costs, website hosting costs, product overheads, and get the idea? To me, downloadable software application is the answer. This type of software offers you with all the details and complete a little idea. You should first find out what you are seeking, make a plan, and after that search for that software application that will ensure your success. I have tested many and put to practice a number of, and after putting my company plan together, I move on in which I was very pleased with the results. Seeing is truly believing. Online software downloads has provided many of us the chance to truly earn a living in home, and can be done all online with extremely little time, effort, and much overhead expenses. Downloadable software applications has provided us the ability and the knowledge to in fact make dreams become a reality. You will discover without a doubt how simple it is to make cash and make a living online when you have the information and discover how to use the downloadable software. It was then I began to recognize there were so many choices readily available to in fact make cash online, but what was the ideal choice for me? Yeah, I'm sure you have actually heard, simply like I have, of all those online testimonials given by individuals who declare they have made a fortune on the internet selling this item or that product. How to make money online has never ever been much easier. To me, downloadable software application is the response. I hope you've learned something from this video. Below my video, I have a link to a YouTube channel of mine where I have over 280 videos telling people and helping people to earn money online. If you want to check any of those out, you're quite welcome. Put in your browser YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Once again, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Into the browser, click search, then scroll down the page, you'll find all the videos. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this short video. I do try to help as much as I can. So below my video there is a like button. If you can click on this like button, that will help me with YouTube. And also up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell and press all next to it. YouTube will let you know when I put another video up. That's if you don't want to visit my channel. Also below I've put programs that I've joined that I like. I don't own any, they're all affiliated. Every link is an affiliated link to a program I've used or still using. Also, I've put tools under there that I use to do my work on the internet. Some are very good. One especially I recommend is the spin rewrite, because I copy and paste paragraphs out of eBay, YouTube, anywhere I can find stuff, Google, all about working on the internet, put them into a separate page, then use the spin rewrite to spin all articles. Then it's not copyright, so you're playing safe once you've spun them, because it changes everything around. So other than that, my main point is always do the research. People scam people. You don't want to get scammed. Do a research on whatever thing you're starting to want to do. Even the program I've suggested, the site, put that in and let Google tell you all about it. If you decide to do affiliate marketing, then put the name of the company in. You'll get what commissions are being paid, what sort of advertising they give you to do for them. They do banners, how often they pay their commission, how long they've been going, etc., etc. Also, a thing is my favourite, because they give it in pictures and you can see half the time what you want to, and that's YouTube. But in YouTube, you don't just put what you want in the browser, you put how to first. How to make money online, how to start your own business, how to make $1 million. And you get videos of people showing you how to do it, or people that have done it and showing how they started and how they got going. This is YouTube. So research, research, research. Now my name's Ian Jackson. I thank you for being here, and I hope you do press the like button and subscribe. as that helps me. So, hope to see you again, and all the very best in your internet. Hope you have success. So it's Ian Jackson saying cheerio for now. Please subscribe and press the like button. Cheerio.